In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out of an account on Notion. If you've been working in Notion on a shared computer, want to switch to another workspace, or simply need a clean sign out for security, this quick walkthrough will help you do it confidently and without losing any work. First, open Notion and look to the very top left corner of the app or browser window. You'll see the name of your current workspace displayed there. This is your workspace switcher, and it's the hub for moving between workspaces and managing session options. Go ahead and click your workspace name to highlight it and make sure you've got the right place. Right next to that workspace name, you'll notice a small arrow. This arrow opens a menu tied to your account and session. Click the arrow to reveal the options related to your current sign-in. In that menu, you'll see two choices that matter here: Log Out and Log Out All. Choose Log Out if you only want to sign out of Notion on this specific device or browser. This is ideal when you are leaving a shared computer, stepping away from a public machine, or just resetting your session locally. Notion saves your changes automatically, so logging out won't discard your work. When you pick Log Out, you'll be taken back to the sign-in screen, where you can close the window or sign back in later using your usual method. Select Log Out All if you need to sign out everywhere your account is active. This is especially useful if you've used Notion on multiple devices, borrowed a device in the past, or you are concerned that you might have left a session open somewhere else. It's a simple way to ensure your account is closed across all sessions at once. After choosing Log Out All, you'll be signed out on each device the next time it tries to connect, keeping your information secure. A quick tip before you finish: make sure you know which workspace you are currently in, especially if you belong to more than one. Logging out will end your session for that workspace on the device, but your pages and databases remain safely stored in the cloud. When you are ready to return, just sign back in and you'll pick up right where you left off. That's it. Click your workspace name in the top left. Click the arrow next to it and select either Log Out for this device or Log Out All to end every active session. Simple, fast, and secure. Thanks for watching.